Hey, Shopify sellers, want to simplify your email marketing and get more done in less time? Let's check out Seguno Email Marketing, a powerful tool built exclusively for Shopify. What is Seguno? Seguno lets you create, automate, and send targeted on-brand emails, all from inside your Shopify dashboard. No need to jump between platforms. From welcome emails to back-end stock alerts, Seguno helps you grow your store without the guesswork. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, Seguno makes things easy with pre-built automation series, Canva integration for beautifully designed emails, instant access to your store's product segments and discounts, and secure sending with spam protection and built-in deliverability tools. When it comes to pricing, you can get started with free if you have up to 250 subscribers. That's unlimited email sending and pre-built automations with no cost. Need more? Their standard plan starts just only $35 per month for up to 2,500 subscribers and includes powerful features like browse, cart abandonment, restocks, alerts, emails to non-openers, and many more. Plus, you can get a 10-day free trial to test it out first. Rating and reviews with over 1,000 reviews and a stellar 4.8 star rating, Seguno is clearly a favorite among Shopify merchants who want clean, easy to manage email campaigns without the headache. Want to see it in action? Right down below the install button, just click View Demo Store. You'll be taken to a sample store where you can experience how Seguno works live. It's a great way to explore its features and layout before installing. So, if you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level without leaving Shopify, check Seguno Email Marketing today.